Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another exciting session. In this session, we are going to learn about domestic animals. Animals which are kept at homes or farms are called domestic animals. In domestic animals, we have some pets. Children, can you say the names of pets? Yes, cat, dog, rabbit, parrot, and fish are some pet animals. Children, can you say the names of some farm animals? Yes, cow, goat, pig, donkey, horse, etc. are farm animals. Children, do you like animals? Yes. Did you have pet animals in your home? Okay, children. Domestic animals are very useful to us. Children, cow and goat gives us milk. Hen and duck gives us egg. Sheep gives us wool. Dog guards our home. Dear children, tell me which animal is this? Cow. 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 Cow gives us milk. Children, tell me which animal is this? Donkey. 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 Children, tell me which animal is this? Horse. 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 Children, look. Tell me which animal is this? Sheep. 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 Sheep gives us wool. Children, look. Which animal is this? Goat. 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 Children, tell me, which animal is this? Dog. Dog guards our home. It is a pet animal. D-O-G, dog. Children, look. Tell me, which animal is this? Cat. Cat is a pet animal. C-A-T, cat. Children, duck. Duck also gives us egg. D-U-C-K, duck. Children, tell me, which animal is this? Yes, this is rabbit. Children, look. Hen. Hen gives us egg. H-E-N, hen. Dear children, do you like domestic animals? In domestic animals, we have pet animals and farm animals. Do you like it? Children, we should like animals. Okay, children, see you next class. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.